Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video, guys. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to show you something quite interesting. I'm going to show you how you can answer the phone without having to actually pick it up and hold it and press the answer button. So this is very useful if you can't get to the phone. Let's say you're in the bath or you're in the shower and you've got the phone on the side but you can't get to it. You can simply just use your voice to answer the call. Or let's just say your hands are dirty and you don't want to touch the display to get it all dirty and stuff. This is very useful, guys. So I'm going to show you how to set it all up. Okay, so open the dialer, select the three little pins up there and select settings, and then scroll down to where it says answering and ending calls, and then turn on read caller names aloud. Select it and then select always. Okay, so from here just hold down the side button and launch Bixby.
I didn't understand that.
And then select the little settings there, down there. Then select talk to Bixby without wake up. Turn it on. And now everything's set up. So now I'm just going to give myself a call and demonstrate how it works.
Rosie.
Answer phone. And as you can see, it's answered the call. How cool is that, guys? Alright, that's it for the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.